How to meditate 5 powerful beginner meditation techniques. Meditation is something that many of us want to do well to gain the benefits associated with the practice. Unfortunately, for many of us, the constant mind chatter can make it frustrating to sit down and meditate for any period. If you are starting out with your meditation practice, here are 5 great techniques that can get you started on the path to mindfulness. Technique number 1: Breathing meditation. This is one of the best techniques if you are just starting out in your meditation practice. It is an ancient and powerful technique that is extremely effective. By just paying attention to your breathing, you give your mind a point of focus in a relaxed way. To start this technique, get yourself in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and slowly begin to observe your breathing. Pay attention to how it feels as you breathe in and out. If you find your mind starting to wander, just bring your focus back to your breathing. Technique number 2: Mindfulness meditation. In mindfulness meditation, you become fully present in the moment by paying attention to the sensations in your body. Start the practice by focusing on your breathing, then allow yourself to become aware of the other sensations running throughout your body. You don't want to analyze or judge the experience, you simply want to observe. Technique number 3: Mantra meditation. By repeating a sacred word, like Aum, or a meaningful phrase, you can bring your mind into a state of tranquility. With this technique, you can either repeat the mantra out loud or repeat it to yourself silently. Technique number 4: Walking meditation. If you don't think that you can sit still for an extended period, you can try the walking meditation technique. This can be done anywhere. You simply have to focus on your body as it moves. Focus on how your arms swing, how your legs are lifted and extended, and how your feet rise and touch back down on the ground. If your mind starts to wander, bring your focus back to the movement of your body. Technique number 5: Empty-minded meditation. Empty-minded meditation allows you to be aware without having to have a specific focus. To practice this technique, sit quietly in a comfortable place. Close your eyes and let your thoughts freely float in and out of your mind. Observe each thought as they enter your mind without any attachment or judgment. These 5 meditation techniques are simple enough that you can start your practice today, or enhance an existing one. We hope these 5 powerful meditation techniques for beginners will help you practice meditation.